Assalamualaikum. In this video, I'll show you how to make all radio buttons the same size in fillable PDF form using Adobe Acrobat Pro. Let's get started. Open a PDF form, make this on fillable, go to Tools menu, Prepare From, draw the radio button, right click on the mouse and click the radio button, draw the radio button. Select the all radio button and right click on the mouse and click the set fill to same size, height, width both. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comments and share. Thanks for watching.